Sir Tan? May pinagawa sa ating take-home quiz si Sir Tan?
Oo!
Bakit wala akong alam? Ano bang topic natin kay Sir Tan?
Hyperbola. Paano ba yun?
Bakit hindi ko matandang may pinagawa sa atin si Sir Tan?
Hindi mo nga alam yung jowa mo, may mahal ng iba eh.
Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin.
6.5 hours later.
Then I have some of your food. Oh, sure. Thank you. Can you lend me your hand? Oh, sure. You have a good heart, but I see you're in trouble. But rest assured, you will meet friends and they will help you when you're in trouble. Friends? Trouble? What does she mean?
Beautiful life, beautiful day. 너의 기억에.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Wait! Is that hyperbola?
Yes.
Let me help you.
Okay.
Yes. As a matter of fact, I'm an expert with hyperbola.
Okay.
Here are you, hyperbola. The first part of the hyperbola is the center, where you can find the transverse in the conjugate axis. The transverse axis is the line that passes through the foci, the vertices, and the center. The F1 and the F2 are the foci. The V1 and the V2 are the vertices. And now, the conjugate axis is the line that passes through the co-vertices. The B1 and the B2 are the co-vertices. These diagonal lines are the asymptotes. And this line is the lateral recta. So these are the parts of the hyperbola. Oh wait, there's someone calling. Hello? What happened? My grandma? Sorry, I have to go. I have an emergency.
Oh, sure, sige. Thank you for your help. How do you do this? Oh, I need some help.
Do you want me to help you?
Of course.
This is an hyperbola, right?
Yep.
X squared over 9 minus y squared over 16 equals to 1 is an example of horizontal hyperbola because x squared over 9 consists the positive sign. But before we can do anything else here, we have to find first the center, the value of a, b, and c. In this given, the center here is 0 and 0 because x squared and y squared doesn't have a second term. And now that we found the center, let us now move on and find the value of a. The a squared here in this given is 9. And to get the value of a, we have to square a squared and 9 to get an answer of positive negative 3. And now, we are going to find the value of b. The value of b squared here is 16. Just like in the a, we were going to square b squared and 16 to get an answer of positive negative 4. And now, the letter c. Unlike in ellipse, here in hyperbola, to get the value of c squared, we have to add a squared and b squared to get an answer of 25. We were going to square it to get an answer of positive negative 5.
Wow!
That's it.
Oh, I get it. That's how you do it.
Oh baby, 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 my baby, baby.
Janela, wait, let me explain.
You forgot the asymptotes and the lateral recta. Come on, I teach you the better.
Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paneng.
So, to find the asymptotes and the lateral recta, you will do the equation of asymptotes. We need to use the horizontal equation, which is the y minus k equals positive negative b over 8 times x minus h. Change all the variables to the value, which is y minus 0 equals positive negative b 4 over 3, then x minus 0. So the value of the center is 0, so we will disregard it. It will become y equals positive negative 4 over 3 times x, and that's the answer to the asymptotes. We need to find the lateral recta, and the formula is 2 times b squared over a. So substitute the variable to its value. It will be 16, then 3. Then divide it. It will be 32 divided by 3. It can be, the simplest form is 10.66, and that's our lateral recta. So that's the complete computation of the hyperbola.
Ikaw ba rin palang hanap-hanap para pa?
A few minutes later.
Hey, I think the hyperbola is like a problem. They're just opposing each other. No, they're different. No, it's not. They're just the same.
Ikaw pa rin pala ang hanap-hanap para pa. Kahit magpanggap di matatago na ang iyong
Wait, come here.
Yeah, come here.
Do you need help in hyperbola?
Of course.
We can help you in that. Do you know how to grab it?
No.
Well, you don't know, but we are graph masters
Yeah.
in hyperbola.
We're just fighting each other because I think the hyperbola is opposing.
No, it's
parabola.
not. It's
No,
not.
but it's just the same.
Stop. Let's answer.
So let's help her.
To graph a hyperbola. So first, need to plot the center of it. So the center is 0, 0. We're pointed there. Then we're going to move 3 points to the left and to the right. So we're going to 1, 2, and 3. Then 1, 2, and 3 also. Then next, plot the positive negative 4 upwards, then downwards. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we need to plot the C, which is positive negative 5, to the right and to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we're going to make an imaginary rectangle passing through the A and B. Then next, from the center, we're going to make a diagonal line to the corner of our imaginary rectangle, extending each side. Then, we're going to find our lateral recta, which is 10.6, then half it to find the width of our hyperbola, which is 5.3. Going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.3, and then put it here. Also to the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.3, which is here. Also, the other side of our hyperbola, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.3. That. Then draw it. that's how we're going to graph a hyperbola.
So how about if we graph a vertical parabola? This is how you graph it. First, you need to plot the center, which is 0 and 0 right here. And then, you need to plot A, which is positive and negative 3. If your hyperbola is vertical, this is where you going to plot the positive and negative 3. So we need to count 1, 2, 3 right here. Also, in the other side, 1, 2, 3. Second is the B, which is positive and negative 4. We're going to plot it here, in this axis. So we're going to count from the center. 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. Then the positive and negative 5. Also, you're going to plot it here. So we're going to count from the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you need to draw the imaginary rectangle. And then you need to draw this in the edge of every side of the rectangle. And then you need to plot the lateral recta. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.3. And then write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.3. Also in the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.3 right here. And then we're going to draw the hyperbola. And that is how you graph a vertical parabola, a hyperbola. A hyperbola.
Oh, that's how you graph a hyperbola. Thank you very much.
Told
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
We're told you
See
we're,
you next time.
Graph Masters.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Tambay sa looban. Si Evan may bagong natulungan. Marami pang naging kaibigan.